Hello, fourth graders. Welcome to another wonderful week of science. Last week we looked at our science safety rules, and I hope you were able to take the time to look them over. If you haven't, please go back and do that. All of that information is still available and open to you. I am looking at allowing assignment submissions for 2 weeks at a time. Okay, so that means you have this whole week also to submit anything you would like to for last week. Okay, I don't want you to end up having 2 weeks of stuff to do at a time, so I would really like you to go back and get caught up now. And that way, you will not fall behind, and you'll be able to stay on top of our learning. Okay? If you have questions, please let me know. I would love to help you. I would also like to know what troubles you're having with the technology. Okay? I was able to upload some hopefully helpful videos on Seesaw earlier this week, and I want to be able to do the same for you on Schoology. Okay? So this week, I just have to jump into it because I'm that excited. We're beginning our first learning unit, and it is quite possibly, if not probably, my favorite science unit ever. And we are learning about magnetism and electricity. Yep. We get to learn why the lights turn on and what makes magnets work. It is exciting stuff, and I love it, let me tell you. So, to get us started, I have to start by saying I am very sad we are not together because we don't get to have the hands-on experiences that our fourth graders last year got to have, and that is a big bummer because we had a lot of fun building circuits and testing out magnetic abilities, and now we're going to have to find a way to do all that online, which is still doable. It's just not quite as fun. Okay? So your learning is still going to be awesome. You're still going to end up being super smart. It's just not going to be the same experience as last year's class got to have. But good news for you, I now have taught this unit once before, so hopefully I know my information just a little bit better than I did last year when I taught it, right? Maybe. I know when you guys do things, you know how to do it a little bit better the more you do it. So I'm hoping that works for me this time also. So for today, what you're going to do is tell me what you already know about magnets. Okay? So I've uploaded something called a KWL chart. Okay? Let me write that down for you so you can see it. KWL. Okay, and what a KWL chart does is it gives you a place to organize your thoughts and information. Okay, so the K stands for what you already know, the W stands for what you want to know, and the L stands for what you learned. Think about this for a second. Have I taught you anything yet about magnets and electricity? No, I have not. So you're not going to fill this out yet. I'm not uploading any videos for you to watch about magnetism and electricity. So you're still not filling this out. What you're going to do is you're going to revisit this KWL chart, so make sure you save it. You're going to revisit this chart at the end of the week and tell me what you've learned at the end of the week. Okay? So I want you to tell me in this chart, I want you to tell me what you already know and what you want to know about magnets by the time we're done learning this unit. Okay? That will help give me some information about the direction in which I take us, and it should make this a lot more exciting for you also. Okay? If you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, I'm going to let you get working, and you should be able to get done a little bit early today, which would be okay. But otherwise, please let me know what questions you asked. And I also am giving you this time, before we're done early, take this time to go back and look at your work from last week. Check to make sure you've done it. Check to make sure it's done well. So look at your grade to make sure it's been graded. And then also, if you haven't done it, now is a good time to work on it. Okay? Science is still a required class. You still have to do it for me. Okay? Otherwise, go ahead and get to work on today's lesson, and I will see you again tomorrow. Bye, everybody. Have a good day.